Hi, my name's Alan Newsom, and I'm the owner of Toge Techniques and Bridge Moto. Today is a feature of the 1993 FD3S RX7 Type R. I originally picked this car up from a good friend of mine, Donald of Pinku Style Racing out of Japan. He specializes in all different types of imports, and so do I. As you see, everything from RX3s to RX7s to RB and Nissan chassis platforms. And so I acquired this car from him with the intentions of fulfilling a dream car of mine ever since I played Gran Turismo 2. I got the car running on one rotary, and then from there I pulled the engine, swapped in a 1999 spec engine with upgraded turbos. So right now it sits on some Cusco coilovers, some Advan RG2 wheels with Yokohama AD08 tires. It also has Toge Techniques dual oil cooler upgrades and a couple other goodies to get it moving and reliable on track. It also has Masa Speed rear wing, some Euro Japan over fenders, as well as Ariamimia front lip in a 99 spec bumper. And so this car now being painted by Tay of Street Proof Customs did an excellent job. The color is actually a NSX 1997 through 99 Kaiser Silver Metallic. So I wanted something to be close to original Silverstone that the car was, but give it a little more pop and flair, and he did an excellent job. For Bridge Moto, that side of the business, we specialize in custom safety equipment. So you'll see an example with the steering wheel in the FD3S. We utilized one of our smooth leather wheels, 350 millimeter, with the baseball stitching to really have that genuine OEM feel, but a lot better placement and strength. And we specialize in other different types of safety equipment, everything from helmets, fire retardant suits, all the way to boots. So we've got you covered head to sole.